Hey there, homeowners! Welcome back to another episode of our home improvement adventures. Ever wondered what it takes to clean up a yard after a hurricane? It's a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be done. Well, today, I'm taking you through our 7-hour journey of cleaning up after Hurricane Milton. This storm was no joke, and it left quite a mess in its wake. This storm left its mark with catastrophic wind gusts that broke trees all over our yard. The sheer force of the wind was enough to snap even the sturdiest of trees. But with some determination, teamwork, and a couple of chainsaws, we managed to turn chaos into order. It was a true community effort. First things first, let's talk about the mess. The yard was littered with debris and it was hard to know where to start. We woke up to a yard that looked like a war zone. It was almost unrecognizable. Fallen trees, broken branches, and debris everywhere. It was a sight to behold, and not in a good way. It was overwhelming, to say the least. The sheer scale of the damage was enough to make anyone feel defeated, but giving up was not an option. We knew we had to roll up our sleeves and get to work. Step 1. Assess the damage. This is a crucial step in any cleanup effort. I walked around the yard, taking note of the biggest challenges. It was important to have a clear plan of action. Some trees were too large to handle alone, so I called in the cavalry, my awesome neighbors. Their willingness to help was truly heartwarming. With their help, we came up with a game plan. Step 2. Safety first. This cannot be stressed enough. Before starting, we geared up. Safety gear is essential when dealing with such hazardous conditions. Helmets, gloves, safety glasses, you name it. We made sure everyone was properly equipped. Safety is paramount when dealing with chainsaws and heavy branches. One wrong move can lead to serious injury. Step 3. The big cut. This was where the real work began. We started with the largest trees. These were the biggest obstacles in our path. Using chainsaws, we carefully cut them into manageable pieces. It was a slow and steady process. It's hard work, but there's something incredibly satisfying about seeing those massive trunks come down piece by piece. Each cut brought us closer to a clear yard. Now let me tell you, this wasn't a solo effort. My neighbors were rock stars. Their energy and enthusiasm were contagious. We formed a mini assembly line with some cutting and others hauling away the debris. It was a well-coordinated effort. It was like a well-oiled machine. Everyone knew their role and executed it perfectly. Teamwork truly makes the dream work. Without it, this task would have been impossible. Step 4. Clearing the debris. This was the final step in our cleanup process. Once the big stuff was handled, we moved on to the smaller branches and twigs. This was the detail work that made all the difference. Rakes, wheelbarrows, and a lot of elbow grease were our best friends here. It was a labor-intensive process, but it had to be done. Bit by bit, the yard started to look less like a disaster zone and more like, well, a yard. The transformation was incredible. Of course, we had some fun along the way. Laughter and camaraderie made the hard work more enjoyable. We shared stories, cracked jokes, and even took a few breaks to enjoy some cold drinks. These moments of respite were much needed. It's amazing how a bit of camaraderie can turn a tough job into a memorable experience. The bonds we formed during this cleanup will last a lifetime. Finally, after 7 hours of hard work, we stood back and admired our handiwork. The sense of accomplishment was palpable. The yard was clean, clear, and ready for whatever comes next. It was a complete transformation. It was a long day, but the sense of accomplishment made it all worthwhile. We had turned a disaster into a triumph. So there you have it. Our journey of cleaning up after Hurricane Milton was challenging but rewarding. Cleaning up after Hurricane Milton was no small feat, but with the right mindset and a bit of help, we got the job done. The before and after shots speak for themselves. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remember, safety first, teamwork, and a positive attitude can make all the difference. These are the keys to a successful cleanup. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more home improvement adventures. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, take care and stay safe. We'll see you in the next episode. Can't find my glove. My glove.
Look, all the way down there.
It's a jackpot.
Shit, the whole jackpot. Look, what's that? Look, there's a big trunk over there. Look. Holy cow, babe.
Wow.
It's huge.
The whole picture.
Oh, the... This is the front of my house. Hi, meow. Kalo is a cat. Hi, kitty. This is our balcony.